naman po natin, third runner-up, Miss Conchita.
Good evening, everyone. I am Princess Fortune Tula na naniniwala sa kasabihang, hindi ka maganda kung hindi ka ako. I am Princess Navarra Fortune Tula, your Muse of the Night 2024. And I thank you.
There you go! Our Muse of the Night 2024 Princess Fortune Tula. Yan po ang ating